म्हापशें आजगांवच्या ज्ञानप्रसारक मंडळान शिकिल्ल्या आदल्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर एका दिसाची विद्यार्थी भेट बेरेस्तारा दीस घडोवन हाडली. ज्ञानप्रसारक मंडळ महाविद्यालय आवारांत घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या कार्यक्रमाक महाविद्यालयान शिक्षण घेतिल्ल्या सुमार 50 विद्यार्थ्यांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो.
This meet will provide the students to meet their own classmate from the various batches. Also they can interact with their teachers, other staff, as well as they can see the growth and development of the college. Through this meet, we are providing a platform to our ex-students to meet and exchange ideas. Also, we will be able to create a database of our students and know what position they are occupying today in various organizations as well as in the society. This will also help us to bring these ex-students to our college to guide, motivate and train the current students who are studying in the college, so that these students, they get well trained, they get well educated, they have a lot of information and also they can develop their skills with the help of these ex-students.
असले कार्यक्रम महाविद्यालयान घडोवन हाडप गरजेचे असतात. त्या निमतान आमी सगळे एकठांय येतात. महाविद्यालयान शिक्षण घेतना तेन्नाचे गजालींची याद येता अशें आदले विद्यार्थी सांगतात.
After so long coming to this college is all refreshing memories we get, and good to see our college grow, and good to see changes in the college, and we, after seeing all the campus and all that, we miss our days, how we enjoyed in our college and all that.
I joined this college a long time back in 2011, and it was a great time. That time we enjoyed a lot with our friends. We used to hang around in the college, and the memories are still there. It's like after almost 8 years or 9 years, you can say, I came back to the college for the alumni ceremony, and I am just recalling all the memories and remembering meeting teachers, having that chit chat, what we used to do, teachers remembering what we how to irritate them. This is the most amazing part right now, what we are enjoying. And for specifically the new students which are coming out here, I just like to say them that believe in yourself, do what you want to do, love your profession and go ahead. Be positive all the time, think about your future goals properly and lead ahead. Be a leader, don't be a boss. That's what I want to say.
I am an ex-student president here, and today we are having alumni meet, and we are here to welcome all the ex-students. We'll have a good program today, and we are meeting after 3 years, so we'll have a good time today evening.